Hey everyone, this is Leo from MarineMax on Lake Wylie, taking you through this all-new 2024 Yamaha boats 252 SE. You'll notice on the side, this boat is finished in the black hull side color with the new for 2024 warm interior. Really nice upgrade over last year's model in terms of quality. You've got your snap down sea deck all throughout, dual captain's chairs, as well as your entertainment station here. Storage inside, and you've got a little table, folds out there. With this being the SE model, you do have the start, stop, push button start. You've also got the electronic throttles with the one throttle driving. Got a wireless phone charger, all of your other controls right here, easy access to the helm. With this being the 25-foot boat, you do have access to the head compartment down here. This one is equipped for storage. You've got your stern pedestals there, table mount, as well as your table right up under here. In addition to the storage there, you've got some really great through storage here. Now coming up to the bow, you'll see we've got a really wide, expansive bow seating area here. Again, same deal throughout, plenty of storage underneath all these seats. Fold up like that. You'll also notice in here we've got our bow filler cushion, which very conveniently fits in this space here. Last but not least, we've got our dedicated anchor storage as well as our bow boarding ladder up here at the front. Really easy access, great feature to have when you're pulling up to the sandbar, anything like that. Again, here's one last shot of the interior. This has been the 2024 Yamaha boats 252 SE. And again, this is from MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Phone number is 803-831-2101. Give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you.